So here we are, taking the general idea of what you'd like to work on and to turn it into an actual topic. So to do this, you're going to ask yourself a few questions. One, ask yourself if there's something you have a really strong opinion on, something in current affairs, a social situation, an issue that you're interested in and you'd like to research. Then ask yourself, maybe did you see something, read something recently that's interested you, or do you yourself have some personal issue, problem that interests you and you'd like to find out more about it? Then you're ready to choose your topic. Don't forget, get your teacher's approval before moving on. So here's an example of a topic that I chose: popular music and social change. In the next section, we're going to take the topic and turn it into a question. See you on the next page.